Your credit card debt makes you sweat, but buy now, pay later feels like pure free money. And that is exactly why this invisible trap is going to destroy your future. 10,000 years ago, immediate consumption saved your precious life every single day. If you found wild food, you ate it immediately because tomorrow it might rot or spoil. Saber-toothed cats hunted every slow hunter on the open plains. Delayed gratification meant certain starvation. Today, that exact same ancient survival instinct triggers modern buy now, pay later addiction. Modern financial institutions figured out a terrifying loophole hidden deep in your biology. When you buy a $300 designer jacket, your brain screams, "Too expensive." But when checkout whispers, "Pay just $75 today," your primitive brain whispers back, "Hey, that is practically free." You did not buy the jacket, you bought a dangerous illusion. Neuroscientists discovered something fascinating about human spending habits. When you hand over physical cash, the insula, your brain's physical pain center, lights up. Spending actually hurts, but buy now, pay later bypasses this pain entirely. By hiding the total cost and delaying the loss, it triggers a massive dopamine hit without a single drop of cortisol. Your brain gets all the reward with zero immediate penalty. To beat a predatory system that evolved over 10,000 years, you need a rule as old as stone. Here's the cave rule. If you cannot buy it twice in cash right now, you cannot afford it at all. No exceptions, no 4 easy installments. If the ancient caveman couldn't hunt it today, you do not own it today. Smash that subscribe button right now if you're ready to reclaim your ultimate financial freedom. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with 0 payments coming out of your bank account next month. No hidden fees, no compounding interest, no anxiety hanging over your head. When you stop financing your temporary lifestyle, every single dollar you earn finally belongs to you. That's not just saving money, that's ultimate financial sovereignty. You now know the biological trap behind buy now, pay later, but what about the ultimate trap keeping you poor? Watch this video right on your screen next to explain why credit scores are designed to keep you on a leash. Drop a comment below with your biggest BNPL regret, and I'll see you in the next one.